Okay, so we're back out here. We're just gonna show you a little bit about the lawnmower. You saw it start up, but don't do that anymore. So before we get into the video, to know, was it last night we tried starting it and it wouldn't start. It just turned over a bunch, and I think we flooded the motor, and yeah. So enjoy the video. I don't think it's supposed to do that. The oil coming out of the carburetor, smoke. Yeah, this ain't good. Alright. So we were thinking so if we flooded it and there was gas and oil mixed together in a whole bunch of different places. There was, yeah, you saw from before. There's a whole bunch of oil on the ground now, and it's all over back in there. It's absolute mess. Yeah, might have a small oil leak. It's real small. We had to take the hood off back there. The headlights actually do work. I'm surprised. What we have off? We had the muffler, intake, or air cleaner, carburetor, and the head off. Messed with the carburetor tuning a little bit, and it seems to work pretty good. Yeah, we thought it was honestly blowed up. I had my dad, he was working on it here with me. I was working with him, I don't know. What? Oh. Yeah, we had to change off fuel filter too. It's plugged the dirt terrible. Alright. It should fire right up. At least it has been. We don't even need to choke it anymore. I don't know what that's all about. so we got to figure it out. It was with the carburetor. It was running on it was running on a flooded engine. And we had it we had it set up for running on a flooded, tuned for running on flooded engines. We had a bunch of air going in, not enough gas. And when it got all the gas burned out of the engine, we had too little gas and a bunch of air going in. That was the problem. Should fire right up now. Run good. I would say it runs pretty good. And I feel like it has a lot more power than before. Just for some odd reason. Maybe the fact that you can pop the front wheels off the ground now. At least it feels like they're coming up off the ground. I'll set the camera up here and record. Alright, it's smoking a little bit. It feels like more than what it is for the front wheels being up off the ground. Don't look like much, but I mean, I'm on a lawnmower, so it feels like a lot. Yeah, I'm kind of like, got gears on it. I like that. It's got like an actual like clutch and gears. Okay, it won't go into first right now. Or third. It'll go in. Okay, I don't know what's wrong with it now. But normally it goes. It's got this thingy. The lights do work. Nice seat. Mint condition. Nothing wrong. Just absolutely mint. I think it was a steal, honestly. Like, they only wanted like, what did I forget, $650 for it? And I gave him $6 $149 for it, so I thought I got a steal out of that. So, yeah. I don't know, I might use this one just to have around. Or I probably won't use it on the YouTube channel much. Maybe like pulling something out to get stuck. Because it has 3,600 horsepower and 399 RPMs. I mean, I'm pretty proud of it. I mean, it is a 5.9 Cummins, putting out 3,600 horsepower. So, yeah. Alright, I think that'll probably be the end of the video. Thanks for watching. If you have any ideas, put it in the comments. I'm open to ideas. Alright, see you in the next one.